Frequent flyer, fly, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome. This here is my little Jiaballe 36 scale crawler, and I FPV'd it. This is a little magnetic camera mount from SNT. I'll have a link in the description where you can get this little setup here to FPV anything, to be able to connect one of these little micro cameras, micro magnetic cameras that they sell. I kind of have this little mount loose on here so I can adjust it. This little toolbox, I glued it in here. I put a little broken piece of popsicle stick underneath it to lift it up a little bit to get the desired angle of field of view from the camera, peering over the top of this roof of the cab there when I'm FPVing it. And so I kind of have this loose on here. It's magnetic. This little toolbox is metal. I'll have a link in the description to this little toolbox and little metal tools. And so I glued these tools in there. My son messed with this little shovel here, so the shovel is just hanging on by a little piece of glue, but nevertheless it's in there. And so little cosmetic touches I wanted to add to it. This guy crawls over just about anything that's not larger than its wheels, and I just thought it would be awesome to FPV it and have this thing crawling all over the floor, crawling all over my desk here at work. And it turned out to be a really cool little crawler in FPV form. This video, I just wanted to show you how I FPV'd it. And this is not a full chop shop video. This is just the video to show you guys just some key points. There are about 4 or 5 solder points in there, and the solder, I'm going to show you guys the solder points that you have to hit in order to get this working correctly, so as when you turn on the power, it powers on the camera, and when you turn off the power, it powers off the camera. If you solder to the wrong connection points, this camera will stay on and it'll kill the battery. I didn't want to make this a long video, so let's get right to it. For starters, underneath here there are 4 points that you have to be concerned with underneath here. And so there's a little clip. I don't know if you guys can see this here. It's a little clip right here. You have to push it that way. There's another one on the other side, the top end right here. You got to push it this way, and that releases this metal piece right here, which is the frame. And so you can pull this out, and the back end of it is just tucked underneath this metal piece here. So once you get this little clip, these 2 clips off, then you pull and then you slide it that way. It's going to be hard for me to do it on camera, but let me see if I can do it with this pin here. Okay, so there it is. So this slides off, and then you have to unplug these 2 parts here, the socket for the motor and the socket for the servo. You're also going to have to remove this little bumper piece here, because when you fold this, when you lift up this little motherboard, you're going to have to, it's soldered to these headlights here. This little headlight PCB has to be lifted out of here in order for you to lift this little motherboard up right here. So these are the 2 connection points where you have to solder the little camera attachment onto. This is the negative here, and this is the hot wire, the positive. So it's the 2 pads on the far ends, and these are the screws that you have to unscrew here, here, and here. There's 3 of them, 1 here, 1 there, 1 there. The one in the middle is just a little peg to I guess to align it, help align this little motherboard here. So this here is my little FPV monitor here. It's actually a watch. Pull it off of there. I have it velcroed onto here, the transmitter. So I just removed the wrist strap from them and put velcro on the back so that I can attach them to the bottom of my transmitters. These little things are discontinued, but I just thought I'd show you guys this awesome little thing. Turns on there. This is the antenna. The antenna folds away. We have the channels and bands right there. See if I could get it to focus. Okay, there we go. And so we got 5 bands and we got 8 channels on each band. And on top of the little camera here, we have a little button there, and you press that button in and you can switch the channels. I think this only has 4 channels though. And so on the side of the little watch here, we have the power button there, and here's the channel switch. You press this button in once and it'll switch the channels. If you hold it in for about 3 seconds, it'll switch the band. It kind of cycles through them. And I believe if one of these buttons does a search, an auto search. I'm not sure which one it is. If it's the power, it might be the power button. If you press the power button, just a quick press, it'll start doing a search for the FPV feed. Just turn it on. I already have it set up to the channel. Check it out. So this is the reason I have this little cam loose there. It's kind of attaching itself to this little toolbox up there so I can move it around and adjust it and all. Check it out. Move it over to the side a little. I can turn it a little. And turn the transmitter on. Let's see. I'm going to put it on the floor. And there we go. Attach it back onto here so you guys can see what we're doing. And let's go for a quick spin. Oh, I didn't even pull the antenna up. This antenna increases the range. I can pretty much drive around kind of far. I think it's probably going to be limited because of the orientation of the antenna, because of me having to show you guys, but let's see how far we can go. We can go in here. Little conference room over here. Oh, can we fit back there? I don't know if we can fit. Go up in here. Uh-oh. So we all up in here. Let's back up. Come back out. Let's go around here. Go through this little hallway up here. And come back around. So pretty decent range here. Where are we? Oh, are we at the wrong chair? I thought I was at my chair. I hear it. that's it. Quick little demo and show and tell of me FPVing this little Jiaballe 136 scale crawler. I have links in the description for you guys to grab this if you're interested. I'll have a link to this camera if I can find it on AliExpress. I'll have codes in the description for you to get this as cheap as possible. Whatever codes I can find, I'll throw them in there. Another AliExpress good find. Thanks for watching.